Let's see how to create a list like this in your React Native application. Alright, I have created a new TypeScript file. I'm going to create some basic React Native code, startup code in here. First, I'm going to show you how to put a string collection into a list. So I'm going to create a string array. Let's say fruits. Alright, so here is my string array list, string array. So I'm going to put this string array into a list using flat list component. I'm going to create a flat list like this. You can import flat list from React Native module, and you should define two mandatory properties. First one is data. Data will represent the array of values that you are going to put into the flat list. So in my case, the fruits is my array. I'm gonna choose this value collection to represent my collection, represent my list. Then I'm gonna define rend item. So in rend item, you can define some kind of design to indicate a single item of your list. Let me show you. I'm going to define item variable, and the item variable will represent a single item of this string array. Alright, so the first time item will be apple and the second time item will be banana. So I can use this item variable as a connection to this array to retrieve those values. So I can say it like this. I'm gonna create a simple text component to indicate a single item in my flat list. Now I'm gonna say item. So the first time when the flat list is created, this will create a text component using apple, the first value, and again it will create a text component using banana, the second value. So like that, the flat list will fill with these values. Alright, so I'm gonna save this, and as you can see, now I can see my list in my application. Alright, so you can make this, you can change this design a little bit. Let me change this. So I have changed the item design like this. I am using a view component, and inside that view component I have put my text component. So in the view, it has a fixed height of 50, as you can see, and it has a bottom border, and the content inside the view I am giving 20 gap from the left side. So as you can see, there is a little gap, and finally I am using the font size as 20 for the text component. So with this kind of design, you can see you can get a flat list like this in your React Native application. Alright, now I can add more item. Let's say papaya. Alright, so then I'm gonna save this file, and as you can see, my flat list has been updated according to my array list. So this is how you can simply put a simple collection into a list using flat list in your React Native application. Now we can see, now let's see how to put some kind of complicated design into a flat list.